Did you know blue once sparked a revolution? Indigo, the dye behind those deep, beautiful blues, was once so valuable. It was called blue gold. But behind the color was a darker truth. In colonial India, farmers were forced to grow indigo instead of food. It brought poverty, not prosperity. In 1859, they finally said enough and rose up in the Indigo Rebellion. That story has always stayed with me because fabric isn't just fabric, it carries history, pain, and power. At Swas, we honor that past by doing things differently. We use plant-based, natural indigo that's safe for both workers and the environment. Our dyes don't pollute. Our people are paid fairly. We believe color should never cost someone their dignity. Choosing ethical textiles is a quiet act of rebellion, and I'm proud to be a part of a revolution that values people and the planet just as much as beauty.